So once you're comfortable with your Zing and you decide to take it on the road so you can show friends at crops and at card parties, you're going to want to carry it in a really cool bag. I mean, why would you put such a wonderful machine in a duffel bag and cart it around when you get this cool Zing Travel Bag? It's made from a really, really neat fabric. It's kind of a industrial kind of gray. It's nylon, so it's going to be waterproof. It's got a handle so that you can carry it. And then in the front, it's got a zippered pocket with 3 little pockets inside where you can fit all your accessories, your extra blades. And I'm going to show you what some of those extra blades are. It sits nice and flat on the table because it's got feet. So there's some rubber feet there. And it's real easy to put the machine in and out of the bag. If you use some other electronic cutting machines and get the bag for it, they're just terrible to try to slide in and out. This goes in really well. It's got a little thing there to hold it. There's a nice shoulder strap. It's also got 2 pockets here, one for the power cable and one for the USB cable. So this is the perfect way to carry your Zing. Nice little logo. Great, great, great bag. Now I want to show you some of the other accessories. We talked a little bit about blades. Remember, your Zing comes with 1 blade holder. That's the blue one. You can get another blade holder, and that could be red. And remember, the red blade is the regular blade. That's for most of your detail cutting. The blue blade is for your thick blade, your thick cutting. So now, rather than change the small blades, you can put the blades right in the holder, keep them in the holder all the time, and you just have to put the holder in and out of the Zing. There's a special fabric blade that comes with, can come with the Zing as well. It's yellow. It does a great job not only on fabrics that are pretty dense like cotton, but you can go up to felt and still cut with the fabric blade. Some of the other accessories that I think are incredibly cool. This is the Embossing Tool. And if you look really, really closely, it has 2 ends. It has a thin embossing tool and a thick embossing tool. So now you can emboss metal, you can emboss vellum, you can emboss paper. So we've got the embossing tool. We've got an engraving tool. It has a very kind of sharp, almost nail-like point at the end, and you can use it to engrave metal, lightweight acrylic. And we have a pen holder as well, and this will hold all of your pens. Now you can put a pen directly in the carriage on the Zing, but this gives you a better base. Sometimes it's easier for the little screw thumbnail thing to hold this holder than it is just to hold your pen. So these are some of the different accessories that you might want to consider for your Zing. The travel bag, and then I think a real winner is these extra holders. Even if you're not going to go with a fabric blade, just getting a separate holder. So you have your regular blade in one, your thick blade in another is super convenient when you want to change blades in and out. When you want to do more fancy stuff, how about a pen holder, the engraving tool, or the embossing tool? So lots of neat things you can get to accessorize your Zing.